As far as the restrictions go, yeah, I'm happy to see them lifted.
New public health orders are taking effect in the province with less stringent restrictions, but are Manitobans ready to begin returning to normal? As of 12:01 Tuesday, indoor and outdoor gatherings, both on private and public property, will have expanded gathering sizes for both vaccinated and unvaccinated groups. Larger groups can also gather at more locations in Winnipeg. Professional sports, performing arts, movie theaters, and concert halls are now only limited to 50% capacity, with proof of immunization required.
I think it's a good thing. I think it's nice that we're slowly opening up, but also doing so in a cautious, safe way, that we don't rush things, and that we really make sure that we're taking everyone's best interests at heart.
Restaurants, licensed premises, and food courts will now only be limited to 50% capacity with a maximum of 10 people per table. Liquor sales have been extended from 10 p.m. to midnight as well. For those seeking personal services like hairdressers and salons, those businesses can operate without capacity restrictions as long as physical distancing can be maintained.
Over the last couple of months, we've noticed a big drop in business, and it's, I don't know what we're going to do.
James Barkley owns a spa and salon. He says he's happy to see a lifting of restrictions, but is concerned it won't be enough to bring customers out of voluntary isolation.
People are just staying away in droves, and they're going to as less businesses as possible simply because there isn't a lockdown, but they're imposing a self-imposed lockdown.
Barkley says to keep patrons safe, they'll continue to follow all health and safety protocols that became second nature through the pandemic. But until people feel safer coming out to visit businesses, he hopes the government can provide more stimulus funding, but this time with fewer stipulations, as he says his business is often not qualified for relief funding.
I think it's premature, and I think it's very unfortunate that our government is not listening to the medical experts. I think it would be a lot wiser to take the lead from the medical community and ask their advice and listen to it.
A list of all changes taking effect Tuesday are available on the government website. In Winnipeg, Mike Albanese, City News.